Hello everyone, this is Robert Alapad, and for this video we are going to talk about data representation using or in the form of pictograph and bar graph. So let's begin with pictograph first. A pictograph is a chart that uses icons, images, or symbols to represent information or data. Each icon, image, or symbol represent a certain frequency based on the key. So here is an example of pictograph. So this is an example of pictograph, and as I said lately that a key and a pictograph denotes the value of symbols. So here the key where one apple picture represents or means 10 apples, and one half apple picture means 5 apples. So the data representation here was that on January, on the month of January, there were only 30 apples sold because one apple picture represents 10 apples. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. On February, there were rather 40 apples sold. And on March, there were 25 apples sold because the one half picture of apple here represents 5 apples. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 equals 25 apples. And on April, there were 20 apples sold. So this is a representation of data in the form of pictograph. So moving on to bar graph, and we will use the same data that we use in pictograph. So here we could say that on the month of January, there were 30 apples sold using this horizontal bar. And on February, there were 40 apples sold. And on March, there were 25 apples sold. And on April, there were only 20 apples sold. So masasabi natin na maraming apple ang naibenta sa buwan ng Pebrero. And that's all for this video, and I hope that you learned how to use pictograph and bar graph to represent data. So thank you for watching.